How to add 1-minute video to Instagram stories without splitting. What's up everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add Instagram stories that are up to a minute, and that is also without splitting. So if you guys know, if you try to upload a video longer than 15 seconds on Instagram stories, it will split it into different parts and you will have multiple stories. But in order to post it as a whole story, then what you have to do first is check if your app is up to date. Simply head over to your Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see an update button instead of open right here, that means your app is not up to date. Then you will have to tap on the update button to update the app. Now once that is done, what you can do is head over to your Instagram, and once you're inside your Instagram, if you tap on this plus icon, then you will have when you tap on story, you won't be able to post a whole story. So all you have to do is access your camera app, and from here you can tap on this profile icon, and now you can just tap on a story that's more than a minute or more than 15 seconds. So I'm just going to choose this one right here, and once you choose your story, then you can simply tap on your story and it will be posted like so. And once you do that, you should be able to have a whole story without splitting. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on new updates. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.